What's good, YouTube? It's your boy STINO RWD. That's y'all got Boss Man D-Lo playing in the background. Turn that down, but yeah. About to do my man's rims and tech. Me and my man Slick. Let's go ahead. Might as well, you feel me, put y'all in the video. Might as well make the video. Got my guys and shit. Yeah, man. Walk out, you see that, you know what I'm saying? How we living. About to have him pull up on the side of my shit. Slow, 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 slow. Slow. There you go. About to, yeah. Whole car about to be transformed. 8% tints on there. All around with the sun strip. Yeah, you keep going if you want. Rims about to be black. Tint about to be black. Car about to be black.
This what I was talking about.
What, like the? Yeah, I was looking at that. Nah, it shouldn't be that big of a deal, but if I don't feel comfortable, we can just take it back out. Let my man drive it for real. Cold start.
I like how when I started that bitch,
everybody go down and shit like that type shit. Already. Drive real quick up the street because he forgot the tints. You know he a nut for real. He a super nut. Forgot the tints and he forgot the heat gun and everything for real. So he about to go back. His car's already parked in the cut for real. I already seen that part of shit. About to go back, yeah. I mean, first time
driving this?
Yeah. For real? Not first time driving this?
No.
Oh wow.
Real experience.
Oh wow. I do got a muffler delete for real.
That's why it sounds like that?
That's why I sound, yeah, that's why I sound like that. I could cut all the mufflers and shit. I might get test pipes and shit with like, that shit replaced, oh yeah. Ceramic brake pad, all that shit.
See why you think this shit a video game.
Look, her tint, that's all I'm showing you.
What's that?
That's like 20, 35. It's a little dark, so it's probably 35, because earlier it was looking like, per year is right here. It's about. Hey. Yes, sir, you know it. Getting them shits back on. Sadly, the niggas who sent us the thing, she didn't really line up all the way for real. Ain't really line up all the way. Yeah, man, but we going to see if we can take the extra other pieces and put that shit on there. My guy, meat. Oh, you tight shit. I fuck. Glock.
Good, what's
Tight shit. That boy.
All that laughing, what the fuck?
My fault, shorty. My fault. good, y'all?
Nigga still recording?
Yeah, we didn't know, huh?
Yeah.
That's gonna be in there too. So what? Yeah. I don't think they heard you, bro.
Found me.
This nigga's a nut, y'all.
Stop playing with daddy.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Alright, bro. This is YouTube, bro. You good, bro? You was not daddy.
Give a damn.
What you talking
Niggas know
about?
who daddy is.
Oh, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, but you did this right here.
Tight shit.
We
both did that.
No,
I did the top, you did the bottom.
I had to work
I
off
did the top,
you.
you did the
I had to
bottom.
work off
You
you.
talking
Work off you.
Hell no, you said you was gonna do a straight.
I had to work off
That ain't
him,
straight
bro.
though.
He already
That ain't
fucked
straight.
the
That
whole
ain't straight
thing.
though. Yeah. Ain't no excuses for that.
No, you started it.
Ain't no excuse. You ended it, nigga. Yeah.
You hard body?
You ended the bullshit. Check my minds out. Yeah,
Hey, y'all, he must be a natural at home the camera. He over here talking about other
shut
people.
your ass up, nigga. Yeah.
You good?
They gonna like that.
You think he OC, though?
Right.
You think he OC?
Check my man out. Check my man out. Okay. Okay. Top.
Y'all see how I kind of look fucked up because the people who sent the parks or whatever, you feel me, like, ain't fit, boys. Oh, you good.
You good.
What's good, y'all?
Say that. How you stop this shit?
Just press the show.
Right.
Well, you said tuck that motherfucker. That's what, huh?
Yes, man.
The fuck up, shorty. Yeah. It's shooting 5K, by the way.
For real?
Yeah.
I'm allowed to flip the middle.
Yeah, this is YouTube, bro. Oh, you can cuss, but don't say nothing no crazy.
What's for you?
Hey, that shit probably not even crazy on YouTube.
That shit is kind of crazy. I get canceled.
Chill, y'all. Don't cancel me. I'm just a little nigga from YouTube.
I like how you said little nigga.
Yeah,
Oh, you talking about this?
They transforming for real. I don't see the difference of the two for real. Let's see what I'm doing. Sheesh. Already transformed. Y'all see the actor review. Hey, sounds on Moo. Nobody do rims better than me, bro. I swear no one do. Like, y'all see that shit? Bitches look fucking wet. We got 5% of the back windows too. Alright. Glossed up.